It's time for a new chapter. More than 70 years of unrivaled history. An icon reborn, reimagined, redesigned. It's time for a new Defender. Incomparable and unstoppable in a category of its own. Familiar yet new, an unmistakable silhouette. Wherever you are in the world. Designed for purpose, engineered to excite. 21st century technology, world-class powertrains, exceptional off-road, engaging on-road. The companion for adventure, big or small, and ready to go above and beyond. Innovative, groundbreaking, a leader, a digital defender. One name, many characters. Explorer, adventure, country or urban. Defined for different purposes. Designed for all of us. Capable of great things. The new Land Rover Defender.